For many aspiring YouTubers, one of the biggest obstacles is not having good audio recording equipment to get high-quality voiceovers. Another common challenge is having to transcribe and organize recordings from multinational conferences with various accents, which can be time-consuming using traditional transcription tools. If either of these scenarios sounds familiar, then Anakin AI has just the solution for you. We've developed 2 new apps using OpenAI's powerful whisper speech model that can help overcome these audio issues easily and for free. The first app allows you to convert any written text into a highly natural-sounding voice recording. The second app enables you to transcribe audio files with amazing accuracy, saving you hours of work organizing conference discussions or podcast notes. Best of all, both apps are very simple and intuitive to use. Let me give you a quick demo of how they work and how they can help you start a YouTube channel or manage conference transcripts with ease. With these new tools from Anakin AI, working with audio files has never been simpler. To convert text into speech, open up the first link posted in this video's comments section. Now paste your text into this box. The text can be in English or other languages as well. After pasting your script, hit the Generate button and your speech will be ready instantly. You can play the audio from here.
Anakin AI is a one-stop platform where you can access all your favorite AI tools, including GPT-4, Claude 3, Stable Diffusion, DALL-E 3, Gemini, and over 200 pre-built AI apps.
You can also download the audio using this button. Our text-to-speech app offers a total 6 number of high-quality, realistic AI voices. Here's how other voices sound.
Anakin AI is a one-stop platform where you can access all your favorite AI tools, including GPT-4, Claude 3, Stable Diffusion, DALL-E 3, Gemini, and over 200 pre-built AI apps. Anakin AI is a one-stop platform where you can access all your favorite AI tools, including GPT-4, Claude 3, Stable Diffusion, DALL-E 3, Gemini, and over 200 pre-built AI apps.
To transcribe an audio file, open up the second link posted in this video's comments section. Now upload the audio file, which should be no more than 20 megabytes. Then hit the Generate button. It will automatically detect the language and transcribe the audio instantly. What's even more amazing is that you can also transcribe the audio of different languages. For example, here's a voice message sent to me by my boss. Let me play a few seconds for you.
Hola John, soy Manuel. Solo quería dejarte un mensaje rápido para decirte lo impresionado que he estado con tu trabajo últimamente.
As you can hear, he speaks Spanish. Now, if I upload the audio here and hit the Generate button, it will automatically detect the language and transcribe the audio instantly. Then, I can easily translate this text into English using our free online translator. All it takes is to paste the text, select the target language, and hit the Generate button. And looking from the translated text, it turns out I just got promoted, which is exactly correct. You can try these text-to-speech and speech-to-text tools completely free, as Anakin AI offers 30 free credits daily. Plus, if you refer a friend, you'll receive an additional 200 credits for free. Aside from these tools, there are numerous other AI apps custom-made for writing, drawing, business, programming, sales, education, and more. Anakin AI is a one-stop platform where you can access all your favorite AI tools, including GPT-4, Claude 3, Stable Diffusion, DALL-E 3, Gemini, and over 200 pre-built AI apps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more AI insights. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.